Hey there, Byron Hudtloff here with the Platinum Real Estate Group at REMAX Executives. Today, super excited to be showing you my brand new listing here at 5902 Kara Place in Burke, Virginia. We're in the community of Burke Station Square, ideally located just steps away from the Rolling Road Burke VRE station. This lovely home features 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths with 1,540 square feet of living space on 3 finished levels. We got brand new plush neutral carpet and fresh neutral paint. On the outside, we have 2 assigned parking spots for your vehicles. In the rear, a fully fenced, professionally landscaped rear yard with concrete patio, perfect for entertaining. Let's go on inside and take a look. As soon as you walk in, you'll notice beautiful hardwood floors in the foyer and the living room. Then you come into the gorgeous kitchen with white cabinets, granite countertops, ceramic tile flooring, and stainless steel appliance including a gas stove, built-in microwave, dishwasher, and refrigerator with ice maker. There's also plenty of room for a breakfast table right there in the kitchen, which is a great spot to enjoy your morning cup of coffee. You'll love the huge living room that measures 21 by 13 with wood floors and fresh paint with crown molding and chair rail with shadow boxes. It's a great spot to relax and watch TV. A sliding glass door leads to that fully fenced, professionally landscaped rear yard, perfect for entertaining. A powder room is also conveniently located on the main level. On the upper level, you'll find 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths with fresh paint, new plush neutral carpet, and 2 ceiling fans. The primary bedroom measures 15 by 12 with a huge wall closet, 2 box windows that provide tons of light, and an updated primary bathroom with ceramic tile flooring. The second and third bedrooms measure 10 by 10 and 10 by 8, and they share the second full bathroom that has also been nicely updated with ceramic tile flooring. Downstairs, you'll love relaxing in the large 21 by 12 rec room, perfect for watching TV, gaming, or playing with the kids. Built-in shelves offer plenty of storage space along with understairs storage, as well as a 14 by 14 unfinished storage room where you'll also find the full-size washer and dryer. Once again, this lovely home features 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths with 1,540 square feet of living space on 3 finished levels. The plush neutral carpet, fresh neutral paint means this home is move-in ready. For more information, check out our website at 5902kara.com and give us a call if we can be of assistance.